everybody. Me and my husband, we went last night to the Sky's the Limit charity ball, which was hosted by Royal Navy and Royal Marine Charity, and we got a goodie bag. So I'm gonna show you what's in my goodie bag. So we're gonna start with a glow stick, which we absolutely forgot about it last night, and I was wondering why everyone has glow stick, but it was in the bag. I didn't check it. We got a beer from Powder Monkey Brewery. Thank you. We got a cap, Lockheed Martin. There we go. I keep this for the rest of the video. We got a coaster, very cool. We got a little notepad. We got how did you call that?
A badge.
A badge. So it has Velcro, and then you can stick it to your jacket or whatever you want. We got a clothing keyring, and that's from the trafalgargroup.co.uk. We got a card holder, canvas, upcycled from Royal Navy life rafts and life jackets. Beautiful, very handy. We got a leaflet from Simply Getaway and the Butler collection. We got another leaflet from Trafalgar Group. Another leaflet and another leaflet from Polus Yachts. And we had a brochure from Winstar Cruises. And the back. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye.